Hi guys, so decorate this Dior bag cake with me. So please ignore the mess. I was rolling up the fondant prior to this video, and yeah, it's just cornstarch. Like, I promise it's a clean workspace, I promise. Anyways, so I'm just cutting out the images to go on the cake. Surprisingly, these cakes are so much easier to do than like the actual, like, you know, heart vintage cakes, because there's really no room for error besides messing up the images. As long as there's no water involved, you're fine. So like, avoid water at all costs, or else your image will start bleeding. But I used vegetable shortening to stick the images to the cake, and the cake is just covered in fondant. It's a red velvet cake with cream cheese icing. But yeah, so I'm just making sure that images are level right now, and I'm gonna put the sides on as well. I kind of wish I printed off like a bit more. I don't know why I didn't, because there's tons of white blank space on the paper. So I would recommend printing off as much as possible. Like, if it goes to waste, it goes to waste, but at least you have extra just in case. So after putting the sides on, I'm gonna put on the bag handles, and this is why I was saying I wish I printed off more, because I was only able to cover the outside of the bag handles, but I was just lucky that the cake only required that because there was flowers going in the middle anyways. So you'll see me covering the handles here. Everything was made out of fondant. I made this fondant myself, guys. Like, it's my first time making fondant myself, and I was so proud of myself, and it tastes so much better than store-bought fondant. But anyways, here's the final result in a second. Oh, and I made a gold zipper to go along with it. You can't see it obviously because the flowers are going in the middle, but I just thought it was cute. So in a second here, there are the flowers, and like you can see, they covered the handle. And yeah, these are my favorite cakes to make. So if you have a bag cake, send it my way. Thanks for watching, guys.